true confessions. Literally, when I talked to Chris last week and we were getting ready for this, and I said, I don't like mushrooms. I admitted it. It's a texture thing. It's a slime. Like they've never been on my radar, number one. And number two, I always think of them as these allergenic things, as like like evil mushrooms, even though I know they're tasty and that they're healthy and I know they're medicinal mushrooms. But in my mind, I always had them as icky fungus. You could die. Ew. And then I started researching and I read your book and I watched some videos and my mind got blown about the power of mushrooms. True confession. Absolutely. Got up this, finished watching something this morning. First thing out of my mouth to my husband was, you got to watch this film. Like it was just incredible. It's called Fascinating Fungi, I think was the name of it. Anyway, so high level, Chris, like why are they so remarkable? Tell people why my mind got blown in terms of mushrooms.
So I think many people are not tuned into the value of mushrooms as far as to our health, the nutritional value, and the value to support our immune response and our immunity. You mentioned
in one
how
second.
important immunity is, and
Yeah.
I want to emphasize that by saying that not only immunity helps fight off bacteria and viruses, so we're kind of thinking about that all the time, but also our immune system is attached to every other system of our body, our hormones, our neurotransmitters. And if our immune system has been weakened through stress, through diet, poor nutrition, whatever it might be, constant stress is really one of the internal or external stress really is one of the major forces that can reduce the power of our immune system. But our immune system is also really plays a great role in our mood and our psychology. We don't often think of that, but 60% of our immune tissue is inside of our gut.
Yep.
So whatever we eat is really affects our immune system and our mood. So it's all tied together, the nervous system, hormonal system, immune system. And if our immune system is impacted by stress, that's going to affect our mood, our digestion, and all the rest of our body. So it's really important to keep a strong, vital immune response, as we know, not only for protecting us against viruses, but just to feel good every day.